Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little Primark slash, was it Tjmaxx haul try on? So let's get started. Okay, so the first one, oh my god, my hair! My bangs are just not cooperating, so whatever. So the first one is, I think this is a t-shirt dress, which is really cute because I wanted something like this, casual. I was going to get it white, but then it was kind of see-through, so I didn't get it because, you know, obviously see-through. So I got this one in a size extra small. So it's still probably loose fitting, but I can't wait to try it. So, can't wait. Okay, this is not that bad. It's almost fitted, but that's okay. I like it loose because I would just wear a waist belt with it. And it's fingertip length. I am 5'3" for reference. And it's actually really cute. And I probably would just roll up the sleeves if anything. Oh, these are already rolled up. But yeah, very cute. And it's not see-through, so that's really good. Yeah. Cute. And then I got these brush fleece line leggings. So I guess whenever I go visit cold areas, I think I'll be okay, right? Honestly, I hope. It's not see-through or anything, but it's a little fleece, but I don't know if it's really going to keep you warm. So I guess this is something like you would wear, you wear this and then you would wear like jeans or something on top of it. So I got it in a size small, medium. They don't have extra small, so I guess that's fine. So these are really cute. I like this. It's like very casual boho kind of pants. They're like long pants. They're $12. They're dark blue, size 4. And since you can't try on clothes at like during this time, I would just go around the neck, and if it fits right together like this, I mean it should fit you like waist wise, and it's stretchy, so it's really nice. So I can't wait to try this on. This is really cute for like spring. Okay, super freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Look, okay, so I'm 5'3", and there's like a little bit fabric, like this much fabric left. It's high-waisted, so it sits above the belly. Oh my god, I freaking, yeah. I wish I had pockets though, but that's okay. This is really cute. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Okay, yes. So cute. I know it's wrinkly, but oh my god, what the it's cute. Yeah. Okay, I'll figure out the bow better, but anyways, the point is, love it. Oh, and then the last one, oh my god, I saw this on a mannequin, it was so cute. Okay, so this is like organic cotton. I don't know why, but I'm really liking the white. And then it has a little tie on the waist part, so that's really cute. It's very on trend. I've seen this on a couple of, I think I got another one from Zara that cinches here at the waist, so it's really nice. This one was this one's $14, and I got this in a size small. Oh wow, it's really soft. Really soft. I recommend. I'll be living in this. Hopefully I don't get anything dirty. Should I do this with ASMR? Just kidding. Okay, very, very comfs, you know? Like it's really, I guess frumpy you can say. But the trick is just to tuck in this in here so it looks more like cropped, but like fitted. Might be, is it too big? I don't know, I really like it. It's like comfy, and you know, this is not helping, but whatever. I like it. Very casual, super cash. Big deal. My last one I got from Tjmaxx. Ooh, my hair. This one was for $20. This is Champion. So I think a lot of the 90s brands are coming back, or they have been back, so I wanted to get something on it. This was in the men's section, and it's an extra large. And I just wanted to, it's huge. Massive, some would say. So, I can't wait to wear this for this oversized. Oh, so cute. Oh. It's like good material. It's like thick and all that stuff. So, I can't wait to show you guys. My oversized sweater. This is an extra large. I absolutely like it. It's just a peak. So it's not like I'm a slut or anything like that. But no problem if you want to be a slut. It's fine. But I like the little peak of the shorts underneath for an oversized look. I feel like very Ariana Grande in this. But yeah. Oh, yes. I'm in love with this. Uh-huh. Yeah. Like, I have... Okay, yeah. I love this. This is like an oversized boyfriend sweater, which I'm all about anyways. But yeah. Bruh. I like this a lot. Look at it. It's so... My non-existent boyfriend sweater. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. I love it. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please give it a like and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite. And please don't mind my bangs. They're not cooperating today. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!